What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review we have the Xfinity X1. This is a work light with a speaker to it. Okay, that is pretty cool. Now this is 700 lumens. 700 lumens of light. USB charging port, Bluetooth, and another bonus, it is magnetic. So you will be able to hook this up, should be under your car. If you're under your car, you should be able to hook it up to your chassis. Maybe it will mount to your hood. So wherever you have metal at on your car, this should mount. There are 3 modes. So in the low mode, it does 100 lumens. That equals 12 hours of runtime. You get 10 meters of light distance. In medium, you get 300 lumens, 5 hours of runtime, and 18 meters of light output. In the high mode, you get 700 lumens, 2 hours and 30 minutes of runtime, and 28 meters of light output. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Nice. Alright, and once again, the beauty of this is this thing costs 20 bucks. Alright, well, these things, because you get 2 of them. So this is 20 bucks, and that is pretty cool. Now it looks like they already got some metal fragments right here, or something that got caught up in there. So I don't know if this was already used before or not. We always in our conspiracies of already being used, but you can see little metal or little fragments of metal stuff right here. Don't know if you can see it, but there y'all go. So don't know, maybe that's due to manufacturer. Wherever they manufacture at, it might have a little bit of metal in it, but either way, we will figure that out soon. Alright, so this is pretty cool. Now on here, I don't see nothing that says waterproof or anything, you guys, and I will let y'all know that if I do find out. Alright, you guys, so I have used this thing already. Unfortunately, my battery had died when I was down here doing the review, so this is actually the next day. So I used this thing when I was changing my oil, and I actually needed this because I couldn't see the oil filter. So I said, man, let me get these little things. And of course, you already know I got the Honeywell rechargeable, and you know, for what it is good, but this is just small and compact, and plus it has a speaker to it, so you cannot beat this. All right, so basically, you know already, this is the speaker, this is the light. On this side right here, you hit the button once, you got the highest form of lighting, and you will see that in the dark in a little bit. Medium, low, you got the red light right there, strobe light right there. You might be broken down on the highway and you need some flashing lights, and here you go. And you could play some music while you broke down. Just kidding. Alright, so we have the USB in, we have the USB out. The USB in is, of course, to charge it. And we have right here is your Bluetooth connection right here. You have play, pause right there. But this is just the half of it. You also have the other half, which is the best part because you have 1, 2, 3, 4 magnets. All right, and then you have here a hook. This is the best part. I didn't even know this hook was there because I just grabbed this thing because I wanted to hurry up and change my oil, and I was in an uncomfortable situation, so I hooked it instead of using the magnet. I really love these lights. This is so cheap and compact. The speaker is decent. All right, you're not getting this to be the best, you know, to have the best speaker sound. So, and one last thing, okay, you have your battery charge indicators right there. Let me see. All right, so when you have the light on, the battery lights come on. All right, and then that's off now. Okay, the last thing on here is threads. So you can put this on a tripod if you want to, which is awesome. That is cool. I don't know why they thought about that, but yeah, that is pretty cool. So you thread it onto your tripod and aim it where you need it to aim and play your music and work. I'm ready to take this to the garage so y'all can actually see this in action. I want to say this is the best feature about the speaker. One, it has a magnet, and two, it is a clip-on also. So what you have to do is pull this clip out and you can hang it right on top of your hood. You can hang it down in the angle, and there you go. Spotlight right there on everything you need to work on. Now you may not be able to see all the way down, but guess what? That's why they gave you two of these bad boys. These things are amazing. All right, so once again, you could tell if it's on a full charge if you see all the lights in the back. And trust me, when it's on full charge, it is very bright. And I was saying in the video, I think it was used, but no, it works pretty good for me, and the light is pretty bright, so I think it's okay. The speaker is amazing. That's what I use it as a speaker. So let me go ahead and hit play. I don't think both speakers are the same, but we're about to see right now. I want to play. Let me play this one. So this is a beat that I made. That way I don't get copyright strike. Let me know if y'all can hear. I got the volume all the way up on my phone. I'm in my garage. So basically, this speaker is loud enough to cover your whole garage. All right, let me turn the other speaker on real quick. Let me turn this down some. All right, so I'm not fighting with the radio. Let me turn this speaker on real quick. See if it works both speakers. That way you can know. Oh yeah, well, y'all can't see it, but this has two different Bluetooth signals, just to let you know. So you can have something playing on here, and then you can have something else on this speaker. So you can give this speaker to somebody else if you want to. As you can see up here, it says connected. Infinity X1 work light connected up here. And then I turned the other one on. So basically it's searching there and connected all the way up here. All right, you guys, so that's it with this review. If you want to give one to somebody else, just put it in a bag and, you know, or put it in a nice little box, wrap it up and say, here you go. Here's a good work light for you. And then you have your own work light. And you can't beat this for 20 bucks, you guys. 2 work lights for $20. And I used this to change my oil. I used this when I was changing my water pump. Yeah, so that's about it. Like, comment, and subscribe.